Debit side as less, that means it is a profit. So what we have to write? To profit and loss account. How much is that? 71,368. Next, what we have to do? We have to add the proportionate non-recurring expenses incurred by the consignor on the stock. That means for 40 bottles, how much did he incur? 16,920. Current account debt are to bank account. So who is the receiver of the expenses? Current account debt are to what goes out? Cash. So current account debt are to bank. Hello everyone, welcome to the third session of the fourth unit of Advanced Financial Accounting. My name is Sridevi, Faculty, Department of Commerce, Vidhyashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. Agenda for today's video is problem and solution on consignment account. Okay, now let us see the problem. Current consigned to Kiran. So the first name, whose name will come first? Consignor's name will come. Second name will be consignee's name. So current consigned to Kiran 40 bottles at a cost of rupees 5,000 per bottle and incur the following expenses in connection with the same. So these are the expenses incurred by current. So what are those expenses? Cartage, freight and insurance. Expenses incurred by the Kiran. Kiran means consignee. What are all the expenses? Clearing charges, cartage and go down rent. And 6 bottles are destroyed by fire. So there is abnormal loss. So how many bottles destroyed by fire? 6. And sum of rupees 30,000 is realized from the insurance company. That means there is a claim from insurance company by the way of compensation. Out of the remaining 34 bottles, 24 bottles sold at a total price of 2,20,000. So for how much money that bottles are sold? For 2,20,000. Kiran is entitled to a ordinary commission at 5% and 2% Del Crader commission on the sale in the addition to reimbursement of expenses incurred. He sends to Karan an account sales together with the bank draft for the balance due to Karan. In the books of Karan, show the consignment account indicating the profit and loss on consignment and Kiran's account, and also pass the journal entries in the books of Kiran. Now let us do the solution. So in the books of Karan, that means in the books of consignor, what account we have to open? Consignment account. So the first entry is consignment account debt are to goods sent on consignment. So it is for sending the goods on consignment. So see here, so how much bottles sent? 40. What is the price per bottle? It is 5,000. So here 40 into 5,000, 2 lakhs. Next, to bank. It is the expenses incurred by the consignor. So attend all the expenses incurred by the consignor. Cartage 940, freight 3,480, insurance 12,500. It will come 16,920. Now let us see other expenses. Kiran's account. So Kiran's account means what? Here the expenses incurred by the consignee. So here what and all the expenses? Clearing charges, cartage and go down rent. It will be 4,280. Next, Kiran's commission. Kiran's commission we have to write to Kiran's account. So one is 5% ordinary commission. It will be calculated on the sale. So 2,20,000 into 5 by 100, that is 11,000. Next, Del Crader commission is 2%. Again we have to calculate it on 2,20,000. It will come 4,400. Now let us see the credit side by bank account. So what is that? Insurance claim received. Next, profit and loss account, that is the abnormal loss. Let us see how to calculate the abnormal loss. So here it is assumed that the loss by fire has occurred in transit and the compensation is received by the consignor. So here abnormal loss has been arrived as follows. Cost of 6 bottles destroyed by fire. So how many destroyed by fire? 6 bottles destroyed by fire. 6 into 5,000. That means price per bottle is 5,000. So it will be 30,000. Next, what we have to add? We have to add the proportionate non-recurring expenses incurred by the consignor on these 6 bottles. So how much it will be? 16,920 divided by 40 into 6. How did you get this 16,920? I'll show you this one. The expenses incurred by the consignor. So here on 40 bottles, how much did they incur? 16,920. We have to see on 6 bottles how much did they incur. So here For 40 bottles, 16,920. How much for 6? That means 16,920 into 6 divided by 40. That will be 2,538. Next, then we will get value of goods. How much is that? 32,538. That is the value of goods lost. In that, what we have to minus? We have to minus or deduct the compensation received from the insurance company. How much did we receive? 30,000. So here, how much is the abnormal loss? 2,538. 2,538. This is the abnormal loss. Next, Kiran's account sale. That means for how much did we sell the product? It's for 2,20,000. Next, consignment stock account. That means the closing stock. Let us see how to calculate the closing stock. So here, cost of 10 bottles of the stock. So here, how did we get this 10 bottles? Let us see how many bottles consigned, 40, and how many are destroyed. So here, 6 bottles are destroyed and 24 are sold at the total price of 2,20,000. That means 40 minus 6 is 34 minus 24 are sold. That means 10 are remaining. So this is the remaining stock. So here 40 minus 6 equal to 34 minus 24, that is 10. This 10 arrived as follows. 5,000 into 10, that is 50,000. Next, what we have to do? We have to add the proportionate non-recurring expenses incurred by the consignor on the stock. That means for 40 bottles, how much did he incur? 16,920. How much for 10 bottles? So how much did we get? 4,230. So total will be 54,230. Next, for that, what we have to add? Proportionate non-recurring expenses incurred by the consignor on stock. What will come? Only non-recurring expenses. In that, only clearing charges and cartage. So it will be 3,120 plus 960. That is 4,080 into 10 by 34. So let us see how did we get this 34. So they sent the goods for consignment 40, but how much did the consignee received? Only 34 he received. So 40 minus 34 he received, that is this 34. And we have to add this 1,200 to 54,230. So how much we'll get? 55,430. That will be the value of closing stock. This is the value of closing stock. So when we add both the side, credit side has more amount. So here debit side has less. That means it is a profit. So what we have to write? To profit and loss account. How much is that? 71,368. Okay, now let us do Kiran's account. So first one is by consignment account. So by consignment account means the expenses paid by the Kiran. So what and all the expenses? Clearing charges, that is 3,120, cartage 960, go down rent 200. When we total these, we will get 4,280. Next, consignment account. What is that? Commission received by consignment account. There is commission received by the current. What is that? 11,000, and Del Crader commission is 4,400. It will be 15,400. Next, we have to write the sales. So what is the entry? Kiran's account data to consignment account. So here, this is the entry for sale. So it will be 2,20,000. So when we total this, highest will be 2,20,000. From that, we have to deduct this 4,280 and 15,400. Then we will get 2,320,000. So this is the final balance received. So what we have to write? By bank account. Now let us pass journal entries in the books of Kiran. That means in the books of consignee. So first one is for paying the expenses. What is that? Current account data to bank account. So who is the receiver of the expenses? Current. Current account data to what goes out? Cash. So current account data to bank. So what and all the expenses he paid? Clearing charges, cartage and go down rent. We totaled it and wrote it. Next one is for cash sales made. So how much is the cash sale? Bank account data to current account. So next one is for selling the goods. So here bank account data to current account is the entry for cash sales made. Next one is commission. So current account data to commission account. So why we have to credit the commission? Because it is income to current. Next, it includes commission plus del credor commission. Next, being the final balance paid. So, what is the entry? Current account data to bank account. This is all for today's video. Thank you.